Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our headlight assemblies for the 39 through 56 Ford tractors. Restoring a classic Ford tractor can be rewarding if you know where to shop for the correct parts. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced the headlight assemblies for the 39 through 56 Ford tractors. They are available in 6-volt just like the original, and we also offer a 12-volt version for those who have upgraded to a 12-volt electrical system. Stamped from the correct gauge steel, each light features the stamped Tract-O-Lite lettering just like the originals, and comes complete with the wiring pigtail and mounting bolt for a trouble-free installation. Powder-coated for durability, these exactive original headlight assemblies would be the perfect finishing touch to your tractor restoration. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford tractor at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.